video and we're gonna be the third thing. Sorry if there's skips, but I need to skip because I can only video up to 10 seconds. So there will be skips here. Huh? That was kind of funny. Is this a new thing?